I can fix that. Azrath Metreon Zitzel! Much better. Hey guys, thanks for watching DC Toys. I'm Cassie! Welcome! Today is the best day ever! I'm gonna tell you something. Some people have said, you know that Cassie, she's obsessed with Teen Titans. And then other people say, I know, right? Well, those people are all wrong. They are wrong! Until today! Because my obsession has officially taken over. Okay, so here's the story. You saw the car, right? So I'll give you a better look because I'm so excited about it. But here's what happened. My cousin was like, I gotta sell my car because I'm going to Poland. And I was like, oh, wow, Poland sounds exciting. I want to buy your car because it looks like the new T-car. But it wasn't white and it didn't have a T on it and it didn't have a battery symbol on it. So I was like, I'll create it. I'll create it into the T-car. So I did. And I love it so much. Check it out. So it was a multi-step process and I time-lapsed it so you can check it out. So I was painting it in my new neighborhood and people kept driving by and walking by and they're like driving by and they're like, Bill, I thought you said this was a nice neighborhood. And then other people are driving by and be like, why is she spray painting a car? And okay, listen, I even went to a place and said, hey, how much does it cost to get my car painted? And they're like, $1,000. I was like, the whole car doesn't even cost $1,000. The only reason, like, it runs and I drive it, but like, it doesn't cost $1,000. So I said, challenge accepted, friends. I will paint this car myself and it will be known forever as the T-car. Oh, I said I was completely finished, but I'm not completely finished because I've got things, the Teen Titans Go logo that I've ordered in vinyl for the window. And then the obsession will completely take hold. So here's the old T-car. Here's the new T-car. I'm super excited. And doesn't it look just like the new T-car? When you saw that car at first, you probably would have said the same thing. Hey Cassie, that looks like the T-car. And I would have said, you know what? Great minds think alike. No, great minds think for themselves. Saturday morning cartoons. When I was a kid, Saturday morning cartoons, Robin Williams, Genie from Aladdin would say, no, great minds think for themselves. And to that I said, thank you, Genie. You've taught me about being yourself. It only took me till I was an adult to really figure it out. Okay, so check it out. I'm gonna show you my entire Teen Titans collection. ladies too much. I even have a Teen Titans wall. Maybe I am too much, but I'm super excited about it. Making my dreams come true. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! They say I'm crazy, but see for yourself.
Hey Harley, why are you wearing Batman tights? That makes no sense.
Just like blast through